Oh man, so cool. So I made uh 24.97 off of BTT, and I lost 3.38 on Algo. I'm playing long on Algo, but you know what? I'm gonna play short now. Um, I think Algo got some more downside. I mean, it's at 29. You know, I've been playing long because I'm long Algo, and I made good money on Algo on the long side. All Algo, you know. I'm making good money on Algo, you know. But I'm also losing. But you know what? Now that it's going up, I might be able to short it a little bit more. Let's go. It's the 1 minute chart. Let's go at the daily. Let's go look at the daily. A daily. Ooh, let's go change this to candles. And it's just going up. So it's at the high now. Okay. Up, down, up, down. See, this is still bullish. When I see that red overtook green, that's a signal to get in. This is on the daily though. And I always give 3. So always 3. Let's do the 30-minute chart. Okay. It's at support now. Let's see. Is it at support? Yes. Oh yes, it's at support. Look. So it's at support now. Let's see. I think we might see some more downside on this. Yes. I think we could see some more downside. Let's go to the 15 minutes. And I'm doing the video quickly now. I'm on close positions and P&L. So let's go to my positions. Look, on the Kucoin, on my second rodeo, I got in at 129.28. And my mark price right now is at 151. So Kucoin be going up. I didn't start it with much here. I'm up $4. Litecoin started at 197. That's my entry point. It's in 194. Theta, I started with $1. Theta, and it's 96. Let me add a little bit more margin to that. Let me add $2.32. Let me add 2.32 right there. Let's add more to it. So I added, yeah. See? Now my leverage is going down. I'm only making 1.96, almost. Let's say 2%. I'm making 2% every time that Theta goes up. I guess a penny. Regardless, I'm making some money on it. But I still wanted to short. I wanted to short Algo, so I'm gonna go to Algo, and I'm gonna do it at limit this time. So the price I want to get in at is 129.8, right? 29.8. Let me see. Yep. And I want to go 25% on the short side. Now you know what? Let's cut that in half. Let's do 130. 135 instead. That's the lots. 135 lots. So 20 leverage. That's fine. I could go lower, but let's do 20. Let's go sell it short. Now here's the whole confirmation order. The cost is going to cost me $9.06. This is my available balance. This is how much lot. 135 lot. Market price 120. Market price is 129.4. Okay, so it tells you everything. Let's go sell. Put my confirmation there. Okay, my order was taken. And I'm already up 67 cents. How can that be? Okay, my entry price was 129.9, and right now it's 129.7. So, you know, that's the beauty of going doing limit order instead of doing market order. Usually when I do market order, I'm already negative. At least over here, I'm positive. So, let's put a stop loss on this. Let's put a stop loss at 5%. That will put me at 130, but I'm going to add another 1 to that, so it could be 131. I don't want it going over, you know. I want to give it room to dance, right? And I'm going to take profit at, let's go 100%. So at 123, it's almost at 123 now. It's 129. So let's go 200. I think it'll go to 17. I think we could make it. Let's see. Confirm. So right here, I got my stop loss at 131, and my take profits at 117 on the downside. Filecoin, you know, it has gone up a lot. So let's put let's take profit on Filecoin at 154. How much is it now? And let's put a stop loss at what I got in at 29. Let's put it 30. Confirm. Yeah, Filecoin. So my stop loss on Filecoin is at 130.74, and I'm taking profit at 154. It's at 152 right now. That's perfect. Litecoin is the only one I'm down 53 cents, so I'm down 27%. But I only put up $1.38. So you know what we're gonna do here? Since I'm bullish on Litecoin, let's add more margin on that. Let's add $2 to that. You see, now I got more. Yes, my leverage percentage went down. The amount of money I'll be making, but I also put a little bit more money into it. And with this one, we're gonna let it dance. I'm not scared of losing the $3. So if I get stopped out, if I get triggered, it'll take all the money, but that's fine. I'm willing to risk 338 to make some money on this one. I'm letting it dance. The others, I got my stop loss, I got my protection, and I got my take profits. Every time you guys are gonna do this, please, please, don't drive a car with no brakes. Put your brakes on. It's very important that you put your brakes on. Stop losses, stop losses, stop losses. If you do something like this, it means that you are already losing the 335. That's gone to me. If I make anything with this, it's a blessing. But I'm really letting this dance. I'm saying to myself, I'm willing to lose the $3.33. The whole thing. Just to let Litecoin dance. I got in a little heavy at 197. But it's okay. You know, I think it's gonna go over 200. This is futures. Let's go see what else we could do. Let's go to Ethereum. Let's go to coin. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum is 1839. Let's go see the graph. Okay, it got a lot of pressure to the downside. You know what? Since I got you here now with me, let's put some indicators in this. I'm gonna go here. We're gonna go to moving averages. Just simple moving averages, nothing much. Right here, I'm gonna click it 3 times. The 3 times gonna give me this. I go in here, and I'm gonna start putting. Here I'm gonna put the 20. Color green. Okay, the next one 50. Let's put this one yellow. Let's put 50. And let's go with the last one. Let's go 20. And the color will be, guess. You guessed it, green. And I got my moving averages. Here we go. So I got my, oh, I'm sorry, my, I gotta put the 200. No, 20 here. Okay, let's put the 200 here. At the bottom, right? So let's turn the 200 red. And let's go add another 0 to that. Okay, so now I got my 20, my 50, and my 200. This is wide apart. And when it's wide apart like this on Ethereum, that's not good, because it always want to convert back to the mean. You always want to come back down here. So 1750, I'm not going to short it because we bullish on it, right? And it has the inverse head and shoulder here. Oh, sell. What I got trigger? Oh, my Kucoin. Kucoin. Let's see the position. I made 481. Kucoin made it to 154. Let's see, fills. Let's see order history. No, fills. So yeah, 154. Fill price. Beautiful. I got stopped. I got stopped at my profit take. 154. Beautiful. But we back into, let's do, how much am I? Also that, you see, so my algo, $3.38 was covered by the file, by the file coin. What we're gonna do with Ethereum? Ethereum's hitting my 50 moving average, and it's making a pin bar. I think it will go up from here. It has a double top, definitely double top. But this is very important to me. You know, I'm not gonna get in yet. My stop loss is 1834. You know what? Let's give it a try. Let's get in now and let's put a stop loss at 1833, right? All right, so we're gonna go ETH. We're gonna get in a market. Let's do 25%. Let's go a little heavy at 20. Let's go long, right? On ETH, and then let's put a stop loss on it. You know, right here. Let's put a stop loss on it. I don't care about my take profit. I just want a stop loss, and my stop loss be 33. Right? 18. It's 1840 now. So let's put a stop. You know what? Let's put a stop loss at 5. Make it even. Let's go 1835. Confirm. Oh, right there. So it's right there at the bottom of that pin bar. So I'm not gonna lose that much. I'm only gonna lose if it goes under that pin bar, I'm out. But let's see. Let's give it a try. You know? I mean, my entry point was 140.85. Okay, so that's perfect. My algo is short. I'm down 40 cents. Let's go check it out. Let's see what algo is doing. It's coming back up. It looks like it wants to come back up. Let me see. Yeah. So what you expect? It's perfect. It's coming back up. I'm letting this dance. So I think that the highest 132, and then it comes back down to my 129 price. Should we put a stop loss? Where should we put a stop loss? At 133? Right here? Let me see. Let it dance. Let it dance, baby. Let it dance. Be advised, this is a tight state, but it's to the downside.